Y'all see what's going on, man. The thing's dirty as ever. Finna get me right. Man, what is going on? This might look pretty crazy, you feel me? I'm shooting on that new camera though, you feel me? We on the way to the car wash. But yeah, we shooting on that new camera. Shout out Lopez 5.0 for sure. But I gotta figure out my settings for this thing for sure. But I'm on the way to the car wash. I'm gonna try to get a decent looking video since I got a decent camera now. So that should be pretty litty. I'm still I haven't bought any more parts for the diff. I'm still saving up the bread. Gonna get that installed. I'm dang, somebody got their stuff smacked. But I'm thinking about going BMR suspension full way around, like all the way around, cause my control arms and everything is going out actually right now. Like I can tell that they're not the best. Let me put this seatbelt on, yo. But I can tell that they're not the best already. So I'm gonna just replace those when I put the diff on and everything like that. And I'm thinking about coilovers or lowering springs. That's still a big question right now. I don't know which route I'm gonna go with, but I'm gonna go with one for sure. But my bad, I know I haven't posted in about 3 weeks. For the people that's been in tune with me, I appreciate y'all. Big Boy RT, gang, 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 you feel me? All that. But I'm gonna try to start posting more. I'm gonna be trying to post like every Sunday possibly, or Monday, around there. So man, y'all stay tuned with the channel. Y'all stay tuned for this video. This definitely gonna be some decent, it's gonna be a decent ass video, hopefully. Cause I got this new camera. You're gonna see what this thing do, for sure, for sure. But I'm gonna pick up the camera once I'm at the car wash. I'm like 2 or 3 minutes away. So y'all stay tuned, man. Yes, sir. They're getting this thing drippy. Hopefully this thing recording. I don't even know if this thing is recording. Hold up. Yeah, it is recording, but they're getting this thing drippy inside of here. It's the only car wash that I mess with around here. Cause man, these hand car washes, they mess your car up, bro, for real, for real. But these guys doing a good job. And I appreciate them for real though. Y'all probably like, this nigga keep zooming in the camera. I'm fucking with the camera, you feel me? Just trying to get used to it. But I'm telling you, bro, I'm satisfied every time I come here. I've been coming here for probably like 2 months or something. Man, that front tent hitting right now too. Man, ain't this crazy? My battery is about to die. I don't even know if I got my extra battery on me, but I'm gonna have to pick up this video once I get back to my house. Yes, sir, we made it back. I got the second battery. I had it in my bag, low key, so I could have kept recording, but you feel me? We back out here. Let's get right into it. Yeah, dig me. Also, y'all drop a comment. Let me know if y'all like this new camera. Spent a hefty bag on this, you feel me? So y'all definitely let me know if y'all like this. Give this video a like. But yeah, that's it. I'm out. Yes, sir.